Welcome to the following training video. Today's video will be centered around changing the battery on an Ascom mobile device. Today's device will be the Ascom Myco 4. On the back of your phone, you'll see an unlock and lock mechanism. Sliding it to the left will unlock your battery. Once it's in the unlocked position, push on the back of your clip and release the battery. With the battery unlocked and removed, grab a new, fresh battery, ensuring that it is in the unlocked position. Like before, hold the back of your battery clip, sliding the battery in, firmly pushing it down, and placing it into the locked position. This will ensure you have a new, full, fresh battery for the beginning of your shift. Thank you.